Ross exploring it. Okay, you didn't know, so this is gonna be put on, right? Oh well. At least you will be known as the funny one.
Look at that, look at that. It's so cute. It has clams, purple ones, and like SpongeBob's balls are not down here, they're up here. I know this guy named Tony, but guess what? He had this ball right here, and instead of his balls going down, dropping, they went up. You know that? Charlie! Why are you looking at me?
It might be funny to some viewers, but he's my brother and I love him, so it's hilarious how what he does.
We escaped. It's because we're secret agents and we got caught. His name, he's our father, and they call him El Señor de los Cielos.
Almost dropped
All
it.
of you who are Mexican, just so you know, El Señor de los Cielos is a novela. Look at the lava, güey. That was so watery and deadly.
No. Look, I'm gonna buy you these, Kike. Look, I'm gonna get you that too. Kike, you look like that.
Oh, it's okay. You like cocaine, don't you?
No, I don't. Who said I do that? Hold up, let me find him. I'll find my brother, who he looks like. Wanna know how he looks like? He looks like Eggman. Yep. He looks like him.
Not even true. I like that. I look like this guy.
No, you don't. You're not awesome.
That's how serious he is. Serious. He's trying to run away from me.
No.
I'm turning the camera on you and I'm gonna choke you.
No. Stop.
Homer.
He's Homer.
I was getting choked by him.
You just called yourself a her.
Are we going to Ma'am? Ma'am's over there.
Sure.
Ma'am. 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 Mommy. Mama. Mama. Ma'am. 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 Mommy. Mama. Mama.
Sometimes he makes me want to slap him.
Ma'am. Ma'am. Mommy. Mama. Ma'am. Mom. Mom. Mommy. Oh, look at the cute little birdie house. I built this and I gave it to them.
Okay, sure.
Charlie, and I built this too. A little minivan. So I can hang it up on the other side and then they could be all like, they see me rolling. They hate it. Charlie.
Told you he watches too much of Super Evil. Wait. I like it too. You know what? I don't like it. I love it. Stop.
Oh, the flamingo fell down.
What should I do for my quinceañera? JK.
Flamingo down. Flamingo down. Flamingo down.
Call 911. Everybody call 911.
Are you okay? Are you okay? I don't know what to say, but are you okay? Oh, he lost his legs. I'm sorry for your loss. Rest in peace.
Okay, let me guess, you built this birdhouse too? Or is it what? I don't know.
Yeah, I built that too with metal. My pure hands. No
And what
clue.
about that?
This?